tax deducted automatically through TDS, salary fully transparent, still forced to file returns every year. Does this system really make sense?
If India could collect tax automatically without income tax returns, without GST filing, and without tax officers chasing citizens, India already processes more than 20 lakh crore rupees every month through UPI. Every transaction is digital, traceable, and time-stamped. And so why are we still struggling with tax evasion and complex tax filing? Let's look at the current tax problem. India has too many taxes: income tax, GST, TDS, advance tax. This creates a heavy compliance burden on honest citizens. Small businesses struggle with paperwork and fear. Tax evasion still exists, and the cost of tax administration is extremely high. A small shopkeeper must pay a chartered accountant just to stay compliant. This system is complex, expensive, and stressful. Now, here is where India is unique. UPI. UPI is not just a payment app. UPI offers real-time settlement, bank-to-bank transfers, and secure linkage with PAN and Aadhaar. Ensure all transactions are geotagged, providing transparency and scalability to billions of transactions. UPI is not just a payment system. It is India's national financial nervous system. Here is the idea: a transaction tax model. Every transaction carries a small micro tax. The tax is deducted automatically by banks while executing the transaction. No filing, no declaration, no advance tax. Let's look at a simple structure. Transactions from 1 rupee to 1000 rupees, 0 to 1% tax. From 1000 to 10,000 rupees, 2% tax. From 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees, 2.5% tax. Above 1 lakh rupees, 3% or more. High value transaction means higher tax. In a low value transaction, you get lower tax. Tax happens only when money moves. No advance tax, no monthly GST returns, no year-end panic. A freelancer earns 50,000 rupees. Tax is deducted automatically on receipt. A small trader sells goods, zero or minimal tax. Simple, fair, automatic. Strongest part: smart tax distribution. The tax is automatically split between the central, state, and local governments. The tax allocation is geographical based on sender location and receiver location. This means local development improves, transparency increases, and federalism becomes fair. Tax follows the transaction, and development follows the citizen. Major advantages: less cash, less black money, a full audit trail. There are major advantages: reduced corruption, lower cost of tax administration. There will be less need for notices, raids, and long litigation. Of course, there are challenges. Privacy concerns. Rural cash usage is still high. Transition will take time. Political resistance will exist. Strong data protection laws, exemption slabs, offline UPI expansion, and a gradual rollout. India once leapfrogged the world with UPI. The next leap could be a taxless system. This process is fair, simple, automatic, and transparent. So I ask you, is India ready? Should we rethink taxation for the digital age? Thank you for staying till the end. If you believe India needs simpler and fairer systems, support this discussion by liking and sharing the video. Your voice matters.